How to create Spotify account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create Spotify account. First, open Google and search Spotify web. Then this kind of screen will pop up. Scroll all the way down till you find login Spotify. Click on that and scroll all the way down till you find sign up for Spotify. You can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID, or add your email address and press on next. Then create a password with 1 letter, 1 number, or 10 characters. Press on next. This kind of screen will pop up. Add your name, date of birth, add day, month, and year. Also add your gender, then press on next. Then click on I agree to the Spotify terms and conditions and sign up. Then click on I'm not a robot and continue. Then press on account overview and your account will be created. And that's how you create Spotify account. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel.